My 81 Goldwing GL1100 rides awesome. 39,000 original miles. All the instrumentation works great, not foggy.
Your smart speaker is good. Stay on. Should be on right now.
Darn stereo even works. Actually, that's a brand new stereo out of the box. Found it on eBay about a couple years ago. Still in the original box. Just replaced the switch not too long ago inside. Got in there and cleaned it up real good. Seat's still soft. Feels great. Fairing points down there are broken off, but I have new, or not new fairings, but I have replacement fairings with the pins. Just haven't put them on. Fender has seen better days. It seems to kind of stop right about there and looks good on the back side. All original equipment. There is a spider on the windshield right here, but it's not bad and it's out of the viewing area. Doesn't bother me a bit. Mufflers at all. A little bit of pitting down there that you can't see underneath, but not bad. Put a new petcock in last year. New fuel filter. Carburetor's just rebuilt. And it hits well. Idles beautifully.